Alam natin yung favoritism, pero ano ba yung mga obvious na bad effects nito when you actually practice that at home?
For the favorite, the child grew up with a sense of entitlement. He feels that I can get away with everything because I'm the favorite. If he has more than 2 or 3 brothers or siblings, they kind of gang up on the favorite child. So sila mismo, lumalayo yung relasyon. One important key there is that parents need to get to know their children. I always tell parents that the best favor you can give your kids is never, ever, ever compare them. Because when you start comparing, you're putting down one in favor of the other. There's a child that, you know, can relate with that child more. You don't declare it. You don't show it your action. It's a deliberate step na, okay, I'm feeling this way. You use it as the springboard to love the other child more. It means that if the other child is getting more of your attention, it means that that child might be needy of that attention because he or she might be feeling that you tend to prefer the other child.
Okay, we're back here in Daddy Manuel.
Daddy Manuel, thank you for coming to my show.
Yes. Okay, yung tanong natin, what works for each child? Because each child, as we say, is different nga from the other.
First, let's look at different areas of who the child is. Temperament. You read about it. Temperament, there are easy kids, there's slow to warm up, and there's outright difficult. Inborn yan. So, kilalanin mo, ano dito yung anak ko? Easy, slow to warm up, difficult. If you have a child that's slow to warm up, you really need to give more cuddles. If you have a very difficult child, you have to give extra patience and love and affection. So, another one, you need to look at what you call multiple intelligence, what the child is interested in. Like, is he the kinesthetic type? Does he love books? Does he love to speak? So you have to look at the giftedness.
With favoritism and the time that you give your children, does that affect their growth?
Yes. Kasi di ba, the formation is really on the childhood. Yung emotional connectedness, 0 to 5 hanggang 7, 8. After that, you just can do a little. But the affection, the bond, what we call the emotional bond, the one that we cannot see, but it's very hard to give, that is something that can really help make a child. And that one, kung outright may favorite, I can relate with this child more because he's just so easy to talk with, she's so easy to handle. Talagang tayo mismong parent, magbabond automatically. Eh, paano naman yung difficult, which needs extra affection and attention?
Can I ask something first?
Yes.
If there's something that's common siguro for all children and for parents to apply to their children, would you agree that it's time? No matter how different they are.
No matter how different, no matter how the child wants to spend the time with you. As you said earlier, di ba may child na, my child wants to read with me and craft with me and play dolls with me. My son, now he just wants to just be beside me when we eat and talk. So, you know, you have to see that the child-led thing, where can you relate and connect with that child?
So everything boils down, you still have to spend time with your children.
Alam mo, napaisip ako sa sinabi mo, how did you actually parang study each child? Meron ba kayong ginawa talaga na parang
over time eh.
Okay.
You get to know your children every day. And every day you will see something, you might see something new to them. Yeah, but you know what, for our kids the most common, affection time.
Yes. Yeah. I agree with that.
I think they are givens as parents, but universal language for kids, it's really love and affection and the time that you give them.
Correct. I think curious ako. Kailan yung unang napansin na different talaga si Scarlett kay Kendra? Or na magkaiba sila? Naaalala niyo ba yung moment na yun?
Early on pa lang kasi si Scarlett, siguro, let's say, mga 1, di ba? She was already
1-year-old.
Eating on her own, very independent. You know, at 4 years old, she can take a bath by herself. She can use the bidet and clean up.
Si Ken prinsesa.
Yeah, si Kendra,
I can do it, but serve me.
Okay.
But that's her love.
Si
That's her love.
Scarlett is what do you want? I'll get you water.
Okay.
Service siya.
Another one. You have to know the love language of the kid.
Yes.
Another one that I want to really point out, the personality. Parents sometimes say, but yung anak ko sobrang mahiyain. Ano bang problema? But then there are really kids who are introvert.
Yeah.
But they're gifted with arts, with music. So you have to get to know that time. Babaksak tayo sa time. Meron naman kids, parang automatic, put them in the party, they lost themselves because may friends na yan after a while. That's the extrovert child. So each time that we are with our kids is a good opportunity for us to know them. So, playing favorites, you know, you just have to remove that thought ng comparison. Itong batang to, ganito.